So here are the promised videos about the chemistry homework. 28, 30, and 31 I think you got pretty much in class, so I'm not going to address them in this video. 47, 50, 51, 53, and 58 I'll try and address. It may end up being a couple of different videos. So starting with 47. So here we go, 47, 47. We're given a couple of pieces of information. I'm assuming you're going to have your book in front of you, so I don't have a copy of it on the screen here. You know you have 2.18 liters as your sample. You know it's butyric acid, which really doesn't make a lot of difference. We do know that the mass is 2,088 grams. We know the density is mass divided by volume. So if you did the 2,088 grams and divide by 2.18 liters, that would give you the density. But that's not going to agree with the answer in your answer book because the question asks for the density in grams per milliliter. So you had to put liters up here, and milliliters on the bottom, and 1 is 1,000. And that should give you the correct answer. So that's 47. 50. In 50, you're determining the volume of an irregularly shaped vessel. It's weighed empty at 121.3. Write that down, 121.3. That was in grams. And it is weighed full at 283.2. 283.2 grams. So if you subtract those two numbers, say 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. So that would be the mass of the stuff that's in the vessel. We want to know the volume of the vessel, given that the density is 1.59 grams per milliliter. So we know this is many grams. You know that 1 milliliter is 1.59 grams. That's a 9. So if you work that out, that should give you the volume. Did I forget anything? Yes, that's good. So we know that 1.59 grams is the same thing as 1 milliliter. So if you're multiplying by 1, remember this is really just multiplying by 1, this is equal to that. So you set it up so that the grams cancel and you're left with milliliters. So that's number 50. 51. I have to think about it for a minute before I do it, so I'm going to leave 47 and 50 as one video, and I'll come back in a minute with 51. Actually, I have to go outside and do dismissal duties. I'll do that, and I'll come back in and make this video. So there's the first two. I'll come back for the other three. You'll never know because they'll be right after each other. All right.